Morning, YouTube. Go on a little trip this morning. Gonna need a couple things. Need this chain. And I'm gonna need the truck and trailer. Gonna take it on its maiden voyage to get a vehicle this morning. Yep, there's the other chain. We got chains, we got straps. Get the seatbelt back in. My brother left that hanging out. So I'm not going to show you a bunch of fancy video of me driving down the road and time lapse because I only have one battery, one GoPro, and heck, the screen's all splattered with weld splatter too, so if you see a random spot here and there, sorry, not a big YouTube channel, don't have that much equipment. Let's get going. As many of you know, or maybe some of you don't know, 7.3 liter has glow plugs, but it's fairly warm out and I don't care. Let's get rolling. Well, we're just pulling up here to the place and I picked up a hitchhiker along the way. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Well, I got the vehicle picked up. Gonna unload it right now, but it still hasn't let me down. But I got to do some fixing. I have oil leak coming from my high pressure oil pump. So hoping it's just a gasket or something. We'll look at what we brought home here. So what do you got here?
04 6-liter F250.
That be a mighty power stroke?
Yeah, it would be. Typical 6-liter with an issue.
No. Looks pretty nice though.
Yeah, rust-free California truck.
Yeah? It's like the first place they rot is right here.
Yeah, the door seams. Where
Pretty
the pinch
nice.
weld is. Ain't too bad.
Is it on?
Barely.
The squirrel's cranking up.
Oh yeah. Smoker.
Any guesses on what's the matter with this? It's obviously down a cylinder. She's a little smoky. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah, look at that. He's got some excessive blow-by.
That's not a problem, is it?
Yeah. I'm betting money that gas leaks pop. No wonder it blew up the CCC valve off. Keep boiling. Doesn't seem to be any pressure in there.
Swore I seen something, but why do you plug
Let me
that?
plug this back up, see if it's pushing through.
Doesn't seem to be. It's definitely got a weak cylinder, that hole.
Oh, yeah, we should shut it off and just crank it and see if it sounds like it's dead hole.
I don't think this has a solenoid on the firewall.
Yeah, you take this off right here and run it down to the back positive page, close it off, and it'll crank.
Come here.
There right here where James is.
So what are you gonna do here?
We're definitely going to fix it over the winter.
That's good.
Let's tear into it and see what happens.
Got to see it when you get it done.
Yeah, we'll probably try to bulletproof it while we're at it and just get it over with, since we've got to tear it apart anyway.
It's not really all that high miles and stuff. Hopefully it isn't too bad.
It's only got 130 on it, 133 I think.
Pretty clean truck. Well, leaving the 6-blow where she sits, I'm on my way home. Best of luck to my buddy with that truck. Pretty sure it's got a completely dead cylinder that hopefully all it needs is a piston and rings on one. I don't know. If I get an update on that, I'll let you guys know sometime, but I think you're usually best off to fix what you got instead of doing a engine swap or whatnot. You end up goofing around for a long time on some of that stuff and still don't quite have 100% of the bugs worked out of it. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable selling somebody something that I did a swap on, because it's like it's never completely finished. It's usable and whatnot, but there's always some quirk to it that you gotta work out. So should be a pretty good truck if he gets it straightened out. Nice and clean. Pretty good shape. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified for future videos. I'm hoping to have some pretty good stuff coming up. Take care and God bless. Oh yeah, this thing's still leaking oil as I'm driving, but I'm not too worried. I've been putting that oil leak off for like, I don't know, 10, 12 years, something like that. But it's getting to the point where probably better do something about it. You want to run them?